Hello, this is Amanda Freeman, and this is the homework for week 2. I have been struggling with this homework because I'm not the best at math, but I gave it a try. So I'm going to explain what I did in this problem. The problem that I chose was question number 32. It says you have $2,000 to invest and you want it to grow to $3,000 in 2 years. What interest rate would you need to find to make this possible? So I started and thought I wanted to figure out what kind of growth formula it was, and I found out that it was a exponential growth formula, and it's compound interest. It's one-time interest payment. It's not one-time interest payment. It's a compound interest because it's for 2 years that they want to have build interest on. I looked up the compound interest formula, which was the amount I want, which is A, and it's 3,000. P, what I'm starting with, which is 2,000. The R is the interest rate that we'll come up with, and then T is the number of years, so 2. So then I thought about what I did know, which is I wrote down how I have to get R by itself. First, I divided both sides by 2,000 to make it more simple, and then I got stuck because I wasn't really sure how to get rid of the exponent, but then remembered that you can take the square root of both sides, so I did that here, and then I subtracted 1 from both sides, and it gave me R equals 0.2247, which means I'd need about 22.47% interest rate every year to grow my 2,000 into 3,000 in 2 years. It was really confusing. It kind of still is, and I'm not great at math. I tried to slow down and think about every step until it made sense. I won't lie, this was really hard for me. But it's a process that I can understand if I start to work on it more and start to think about it a little bit more. And I can start to figure it out if I'm a little more patient with myself, I think. But yeah, that's problem 32, and I hope I did it correctly.